All right, guys, what is going on in this video? I'm gonna cover the standing dumbbell double overhead press, okay? So you're gonna grab your dumbbells. Ugh, long day. Grab your dumbbells, get them up above your head, okay? From here, think about literally just bending your elbows, straighten them back out, okay? Bend your elbows, straighten them back out. If you can see, I'll show you from the side view first. So bend your elbows, straighten back out. Other side. Bend your elbows, straighten back out. If you can see, I'm not moving this shoulder joint much, okay? So I'm not going like having it fall back, go above my head, fall back and really reach out. I'm getting above my head and trying to just literally think about bending nothing but my elbows. I'm trying to keep my upper arm, I don't know why I just did that, keep my upper arm in place as I just bend and straighten it out. Bend and straighten it out. If you wanna work your tricep and get better, more defined triceps and stronger triceps, you wanna work the tricep. So the more that you're really swinging the weight and moving your shoulder joint, that's not the function of your tricep. Your function of your tricep is flex and extend, right? So this is the function of your tricep, so make sure when you have this weight, that's what you're doing. You're not going all over the place, because if you are, you're not gonna work your tricep, you're just gonna mess your shoulder joint up. So keep it here. I'll show you both one more time. Keep it above your head, double bend, keeping the elbows. They don't have to be super close, but not super out wide. Kind of just right in the middle. And again, like normally, naturally your body will be there, but if not, have a nice like almost 45-degree angle. Don't be super out here and don't be super in close. Nice neutral stance, bend the elbow, straighten it back out. All right, guys, that is the dumbbell overhead tricep. Biggest thing, just make sure you're feeling this tricep work. Don't just do it without feeling anything. Feel the muscle work and you'll get better triceps, all right? Thanks, guys.